Hey creatives! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a minimal logo animation in Adobe After Effects using a clean and simple method. And guess what? This same technique can be scaled up to create complex animations too. So let's dive into it.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
Stage 1. We are setting the stage. Create a new composition. I am using 1920 by 1080 pixel and 30 frames per second. Now add a black solid layer. Duplicate it and change the color of the top solid layer to white. This gives us a 2-layer background to play with. Next, grab your rectangular tool and create a perfect square. Fill color only, no strokes. This is our transition mask. Now go to 3 seconds and 4 frames, and then 4 seconds and 20 frames. Animate the scale from 0 to the point where it covers the entire composition. Also, add slight rotation to keep it dynamic. Use Easy Ease plus Speed Graph to smooth the animation. Also turn on the motion blur for the layer and the composition. Then set the track matte of the white background layer to the animated square. Now your white background elegantly pops in, starting from the 3 seconds. You can import your logo from Illustrator, but in this example, I am recreating the logo elements using the pen tool in After Effects for more flexibility. Keep each element in its own shape layer. The logo has 2 elements. First, we're going to animate the top one by keyframing the shape path, moving its point along the path until the shape disappears. Now, draw a new shape path that traces the original shape. Use trim path to animate the stroke revealing. Then set the second version of your logo element as a track matte of that stroke part. Boom! You have a clean logo reveal. Now let's make it fun. Create a small white cube with the rectangular tool and then duplicate it. Animate it bouncing from the left with position and rotation keyframe between frame 0 and frame 22. Use squash and stretch by scaling the y-axis on bounce. You can check the video on the card above to help you understand this method. The cube hits the logo and draws the first element, then bounces out through the tail. Use a duplicate cube to animate this exit. When the second cube exits the logo, it flies behind and triggers the white background mask reveal we set earlier. This adds continuity and logic to the animation. To emphasize motion and energy, add abstract line behind the cube's path using pen tool. Animate with trim path so they follow and fade behind the cube. This is perfect for showing speed and bounce. Check the video on the card above to know details about how to use the trim path to animate a line. This animation may look simple, but what sells it is timing, layer hierarchy, and ease graph. Play with the speed graph to smooth out motion and keep your layers organized. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you try this style, tag me. I would love to see what you create. So, until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.